Let me show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network and also how to use Wi-Fi on your Galaxy Tab S11 and S11 Ultra. First, if you go in the settings, then click on the connections. So in the connections tab, you will see this option for Wi-Fi. So you can actually click on the text of the Wi-Fi. Then you actually have basically all the available networks in your around you. We can click on the network. Next, we have to actually enter our passcode here. Okay, yeah. And also see if you click view more, you can also change various other things that you want. So if we connect, so you see it's connecting and also currently working. So if at any time also you, for example, want to see the Wi-Fi password, so you see if you want to share it with someone else, so you see you can also see it very easily here as well. Also, yeah, this auto reconnect feature as well. And also, if you swipe like this, basically from the right side, you see you also have this quick toggle for the Wi-Fi over here. So you can actually quickly tap on it to connect and also disconnect. Good luck.